It has been cold these days, and all I can think about is some chicken soup. This is some of the ingredients I'm using. Let's make some chicken soup. I'm cleaning my chicken. I want to use some lemon juice. The part of the chicken I'm using is small drumsticks. I think they're called drumettes. Now I'm going to start cutting my potatoes, my cabbage, and other things that I'm going to put in the soup. Hey, I'm adding my seasonings to make my chicken broth. Now everything is in the pot, and the pot is now too small. I'm going to transfer it into a bigger pot so it don't make a mess. This looks so good and smells good too. Can't wait to sit down and eat. See you next time.